So in the first episode of Harish Chandragarh Trek, we started from Kireshwar village and we went through Junar Darwaja and reached Balekela. After Balekela, we reached Harish Chandreshwar temple. Harish Chandreshwar temple is a glorious example of fine art of carving sculptures out of stones that are prevailed in ancient India. This temple has been carved out of a single huge rock. The temple behind me, which you see, is Harish Chandreshwar temple, and it is believed that the great sage Chamdev meditated over here. It's said to be more than 400 years old, and the intricate carvings are just outstanding, if you can see behind me. And everyone is taking water from this canal, and it is fresh water. We are just filling up our bottles from this water. Saptatirtha Pushkarni is a well-built lake located to the east of Harish Chandreshwar temple. There used to be idols of Lord Vishnu inside the temple-like structure that are on the banks of the lake. Now they have been moved to the caves. There is also Kedareshwar cave located towards right side of Harish Chandra temple. It has a big Shiva Linga surrounded by water. At last it's 3:44 and we've reached Ponganda. That is the plateau. We're going to have our lunch over here. Just going inside. I'm really hungry. और ये है भाकरी और गरम गरम झुनका, उसके साथ है मिर्ची का ठेचा। वाह, मजा आ गया। What if I told you that the campsite is at 3,500 feet? Yes, this is Konkan Kada. This cliff is not only vertical but also overhanged like a hood of cobra. Though Konkan Kada is famous for sunset, due to clouds we couldn't see that. But this nature's architecture is beyond description. और फिर कैंपिंग का मजा तो कुछ और ही है. Sitting besides the fire in the chilling weather and enjoying the company of so many people and playing Mafia. What fun!
फाइनल वोट आउट ये दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ. क्या लगता है? गोलू लाइन से सब लोग फटाफट.
Good morning. Okay, today is day 2 and we are going to, you can see behind me, that is Taramati Peak, and we are going there for the sunrise. Actually, it's already, the sun has come, but there are a lot of clouds, so I don't think so we would be able to see the sunrise. And these are some of the trek mates.
Taramati is one of the two peaks of Harishchandragarh and also the fourth highest peak in Maharashtra. At an altitude of 1431 meters, from the top you get to see an incredible panoramic view of Sahyadri.
Wow, look at the sunrise. So beautiful. My god. The sun is peeking out of the clouds. Ah. Hi.
I am Aman.
As you told me that it is your first trek, how was your experience?
All in all, it was a very good experience. Terrifying, but then it was very good.
What was the best part of this trek?
The best part was the view. You
The view.
trek, you work hard for something.
Yeah.
It's just like life. You work hard for something, and when you achieve it, it's all worth it.
I think for me, this sunrise was the best part of my trek because we were waiting for the sunset yesterday. It didn't happen, and I was waiting for the stars at that night. It didn't happen because
Very
so many
cloudy.
clouds. Yeah,
Yes.
and I was expecting at least sunrise to dikh jaye, and that happened like paisa vasool, like
Paisa vasool.
literally.
Basically, our efforts didn't go in vain. A great time, Thanks
Yay.
to Climscapers.
Climscapers, yeah, I totally suggest them.
Okay.
After such a hard climb, Poha with a view. And we're going to now trek down. From there, we'll return back to Bombay.
Our trek down through Tolar Khind was nothing short of an adventure because this ledge is just 1 feet wide. The trek down is very steep, so you have to be very, very careful while trekking down the Tolar Khind route.
Look at this patch, my god, it's so steep. Also, the path we came was so steep. Literally no road.
Finally, we completed the trek successfully.
Introduce yourself and tell me something about Climscapers.
Myself, Darshan Panchal, co-founder of the Climscapers.
Myself Prathamesh Malve, co-founder of Climscapers.
Myself, Nilesh Shinde.
Basically, Climscapers has been founded in 2017, and our motive is not earning money. We just want new enthusiastic trekkers to come and watch the beauty of Sahyadri and mountains. So basically, it's complete full package. We make sure that it's all budget treks, and we make sure that participants are getting all the requirements in the best way. Basically, everything is all just about leave the roads and
take the trails.
Okay, everyone, you tell me your experience in this Chandragarh trek with Climscapers. Okay, in one word. Okay, I'm starting.
मजा आया.
Wild and free, thrilling and fantastic.
Very nice.
Incredible.
झकास. Awesome.
Lallan top.
बोले तो रावस.
It was refreshing and rejuvenating.
ट्रेक खूप छान होती.
पलंग तोड़.
जोर से बोलो, जोर से.
Hard but heaven.
Adventurous. Thriller. Awesome. एकदम ही nice camping.
Amazing, amazing. इनका 5 मिनट कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. 5 मिनट का ट्रेक नहीं है ये.
Refreshing. Awesome.
It was unreal. I loved it.
Adventurous.
Nice package, 3-in-1 trek.
Amazing.
खतरनाक.
Tiring. Fucking tiring.
I just want to say that somewhere between the bottom of the climb and the summit is the answer to the mystery why we climb. For me, it is I learn something every time I go into the mountain. At one point of time at Balikila, I had already given up, but still I went on. Harishchandragarh has taught me that only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching and milte hai agle video mein.